Originating just north of Montgomery, the Alabama River is born from the marriage of the Coosa River and the Tallapoosa River near the fall line. As with most of Alabama's great rivers, dams slow the progress of the river as it flows to meet the Tombigbee River and form the Mobile River. Montgomery was the first capital of the Confederacy, and the riverfront is an area where enslaved people were once unloaded to be sold at auction. You heard that correct. The area is a few blocks from the spot where Rosa Parks was arrested for disobeying bus segregation laws. Now ain't that some history?